Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the account and operator you want to dual chip. First, make sure the operator is at the required promotion and level. You need promotion Roman 2 where applicable. Once done, gather the necessary resource pool and any event or shop items that reduce cost. This saves sanity later. Also, pick your target operator now so you can avoid wasting materials. These prep steps matter because the process consumes rare resources and is irreversible for that operator. Now you move into execution. Open the operator's promotion or chip screen and verify eligibility. Some classes need specific conditions. After confirming, select the dual chip apply option. If it's an event item, use that event UI. Make sure you have the exact resources displayed, fragments, LMD, or special vouchers, because the system will reject partial payment. When you accept, the game shows an animation. If you see confirmation, the dual chip is installed and active immediately. Finish by validating the upgrade in gameplay. Deploy the operator in a stage that highlights the new chip benefits so you can confirm changes. If something goes wrong, first make sure your resources were consumed and the operator met promotion requirements. Check event windows and retry if the interface glitched. Once you've verified the facts, take screenshots and contact support, but only after confirming inventory and account eligibility, because support will ask for those details and it speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.